Bitcoin, November 4th, 2025. First, starting off with the monthly time frame. Uptrend, and the most recent one dipping down, showing two bearish candles here. But overall, still bullish on the uptrend. Just waiting to see where this newest candle is going to start. This is November 1st, so we're starting off the month with a dip, which is probably a good thing, because normally you do a dip before a rip for the month, and we'll see if that's the result for November. Weekly time frame, kind of going sideways, but a little down in the most recent ones, but overall we're over the 200 MA, so overall it's a bullish trend. But the last week or two, you see a dip here happening, maybe possibly to come down to 97.8 for the next liquidity. If it has a lower stage, but a little higher liquidity grab could be the 101, 117 range. On a daily time frame, we're under the 2 MA. Under 2 MA, we have market drivers or news drivers coming up this week as well. Of course, tentative due to the government shutdown. But as of right now, we're bearish on the 1 day. Just peeking underneath it. Let's see if it spikes back up in the next few days or not. Bitcoin's just showing weakness on the 1 day. On the 1 hour, price action is below the 200 MA. Possibly reaching for here the 103, not 5 liquid dip right here, and then there's another dip right here at 101, or 102. Those could be liquidity areas, or lower lows, past lower lows that price action could be reaching toward. And overall, its overall chart is going up and down. The 200 MA going up and down, pretty much going sideways. In a 15-minute, price action under the 200 MA, curving down, so it's pretty much kind of a slightly down trend going on. In the last few 15-minute candles here, we have a little tick up. Let's see if it continues or not. Let's transition into the trend lines of the 15-minute, where we have several downtrending or action lines that have been drawn following the price action as it continues to go down. We'll see if we can get a bottom at some time before we rip back up. But I'm looking for a price action to get above this action line and this 200 MA to show that we may be on a reversal back up. Look at the 5-minute as well too. It's price action under 200 MA and under the action line. Around 1 minute we have a price action above the 200 MA, so there's an indication that maybe we have a bottom if this 1 minute time frame holds up with the price action above the 200 MA. I'll need to keep on going past the action line up here in order to be considered as for bullishness trend. Liquidations, 24-hour for liquidation on the heat map. We have some liquidation, some heat down at the 103.4, 103.5 level. We also have some liquidations here at the 105.4. And looking at the Forex Factory, which is the economic news, we have nothing going on for today as far as economic news. But the rest of the week may have some more things, but it's all tentative due to the US shutdown that is happening right now.